Welcome to BestusefulTips. In this video, I will show you how to force restart your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung device. In this video, I will show you easy method to reboot your Samsung device that will helpful to improve your phone performance and fix the small bugs using this restart process or force restart process. You need to use the power button side key or a volume down button at the same time on your device to force restart. Now long press the side button and volume down button at the same time. Here you can see the power menu. Ignore it until your phone turn off. Now you can see turn off the phone and it will automatically restart your Samsung device. So wait until automatically restart your Samsung phone. This is the easiest process to force restart your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. That will helpful to fix the problems like phone slowdown issue, any app related issue, software related any glitch. So small box fix using this force restart process on your Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.